What if I told you saving $10,000 is not about luck? It's about strategy. Most people think saving $10,000 takes years. But that's not true in this video. I'll show you a simple, powerful blueprint to save $10,000 fast. First, set a clear deadline. A goal without a deadline is just a wish. Decide I will save $10,000 in 6 months. That's $1,667 per month, around $417 per week. About $60 per day. Now it's time to cut expenses aggressively. Cancel unused subscriptions immediately. Cook at home instead of eating out, haha. Him. Haha. Avoid impulse shopping for the next few months. Even saving $400 extra per month makes a huge difference. Cutting expenses helps, but increasing income changes everything. Start freelancing fluff, graphic design, editing, writing. Offer tutoring or online services. So if we factor x squared by the variable, where did you get the 3 from? Start a small side hustle or digital product. If you earn $1,000 extra per month, that's $6,000 in 6 months. Remember, income is unlimited, expenses are limited. Use the powerful 50-50 strategy. 50% of extra income goes directly into savings. The other 50% covers lifestyle or reinvestment. Keep your savings in a separate account. Automate your savings immediately. Track every expense weekly. Review your progress every Sunday. Saving $10,000 is not about being rich. It's about being focused and disciplined. Spend less, earn more, stay consistent. Once you save your first $10,000, everything changes. You gain confidence, security, and momentum. Subscribe to Savora Capital for more powerful finance strategies. Your financial freedom starts today.